Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is not going to be long. It's gonna be short. Very, 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 very short. From getting another video, I'm gonna drink some water. I know me not feel good. So yes guys, I'm gonna do a video. This video is concerning Image and Dolly. It's nothing bad I have to say, so let me clear the hair. I love me some Image and Dolly. I watch them back to back. I see some other YouTubers, younger YouTubers, doing video, bashing them, say they are staging their prank. And they need to stop staging prank, and the Pampers prank, and the peanut butter in their ass or something. And the pepper candy bunny. I listen, it have a lot of people can stand pain different from some. You understand? Me can get a little cut, and just by me see the blood, I start ball down the place. Why? While you can get a little cut and you just bunny up and you no man, good man. So not because when you're untouched your vagina and the pepper burn you and you scream and bawl and say whoa, doesn't mean say our prank fake. You understand? That doesn't mean that the girl prank is fake, the guy prank fake. Because me could have obviously sister in pepper. Just by a reaction, me could have sister in pepper. And then they say nobody know where in the car, everybody put on them clothes in front of the camera, in front of the dresser. Not because you put on your clothes in front of the dresser, in front of the mirror, doesn't mean everybody do the same thing. Everybody different. And if you can realize them zoom up it. A lot of people don't know how to edit. You can realize say them zoom it in, so you could have just say up here so. Or so you're not gonna see when she put on her clothes. You understand? And yeah, she just come out of the bathroom and she start doing this like, why am I something not scratch me? Why, whatever. Common sense people. You feel say if it was a prank, should have scratch out herself in front of the camera? You feel say if for the prank, she have scratch out herself? No female not gonna do that. Scratch themselves in front of the camera. No, they're not going to do that. So, but the moral of the whole thing is, people, even if them stage it, a lot of YouTubers stage them prank. It's all about supporting. Instead of trying to bring down each other, why not support them? Why not just support them? Keep your mouth shut. You don't have to bring them down. If them stage them something, how is that affecting you who is trying to bring them down? Them do them thing to themselves. Everybody stage stuff. Look the other day. Nikki and Klein, Gio and Ken. Look on the big thing what them do. And on the same boo people and still not learn. On the same people on come out and on bash them, on pick side. Oh, team this. Oh, I don't like Kenny's cause Kenny's this, Kenny's that. Just me put my video, I'ma say I don't think it's a prank. I wanna bash them out and go on the most way. I'm glad me did keep it positive. Only thing I said, if it's not a prank, them owe Nikki and Klein apology. But I strongly believe it is a prank. People, we as Jamaicans, even though I don't live in Jamaica, you know, for whatever years, but we as Jamaicans, why is it that we are so quick to bring down each other? I bet the Chinaman wouldn't do that. You understand? I bet the Chinaman would not do that. They wouldn't do that, you know? They would not do that. So why is it that we are the one who always want to bring down our own people? You know much things happening in America here when I'm there? Sometimes midday in the same state, I don't know enough of things I'm going. But we as Jamaican, as something happens so, the vlogger them, like, we have to put it out for everybody say, lad, we're not going to Jamaica, cause Jamaica too bad. Jamaica this, Jamaica that, Jamaica. Things happen all over the world. Sometimes we the people who bring down with own country and with own people. Because we are trying to look at hype. Yes, everybody want to get big. I want to reach out there. Me, you, everybody. You understand? Even you're a person who don't do YouTube. I know they want to do things to make money. You understand? But come on, guys. Let's not bring down each other. Let's try to uplift and elevate. I love them, you know. Like, I sit and I watch these YouTubers. Like, I sit down and watch them and I laugh at the time. Like, them keep me going. I don't even think about the fact whether if them stage it, yes or no. I don't think about that. A lot of people do them stage thing, yes. But it's still called acting. Because it was them could have just come in front of the camera and say them I do them acting. You understand? So it's still acting regardless. You understand? So them acting skill is up. Why not have it? They bash them. Make them do them thing, man. Let them do them thing. You know? Let them do them thing. Nobody not gonna hurt themselves. You think people that prank them one another and when they look, even the one, cause the person is saying the one with the rope, it fake. You think if fake, he man gonna run in a bush, drop himself a ground, dirty up himself, get all cut on him, something there. Come on, people. Stop bring down each other, and even if it is fake, why do we have to bring down each other? Why can't we uplift? Why not just share the video to somebody and say, hey, look at Image and Dolly. Look on this here. Or look on the person here. Or whatever. Why is it that you can't do that? You know? Me love them. I'm not gonna lie. I love Image and Dolly. I love all of them YouTubers them because them fun. Them real fun. These are things that we sit down. Sometimes we don't even watch movie. Guys, my throat is sick, so when I talk too much, it kind of pain me. Yeah, as you see, I did a video not too long. I have tonsillitis, so yes, I read because it's hurting so bad. You actually see the redness. So yes, people, as I'm telling you, stop bringing down each other. And Image and Dolly, but not lie. The only thing I can say in as positive, you understand? Like, I hope say with this one I do like they go at each other. I hope in a cause enough for a problem and relationship. Which you don't know say only in a one prank world still. You understand? And I like the fact that you don't know say it's really prank each other, and I hope beyond the video on not fight with each other and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, because I don't know we love you know. We all love you guys. You understand? We love you know. And we don't want to hurt one another. And big up to the YouTuber them. When them realize say it is a prank, them smile it off and them not still mad with them partner, or if I one of them friend prank them or something. You understand? Because I have some YouTubers, you prank them and even the prank done, they're still mad or vexed with you. Which you have to know say, it's a prank world. You gotta expect anything. You know? But, big up on yourself, Image and Dolly guys. I'm not even gonna edit up the video here. You understand? I'm just gonna post it same way. I'm not doing no editing or nothing. But I'm gonna post it because I just want to get this out there clear. So let's not bring down each other. Let's uplift and elevate each other. Okay, guys? Let's not even bring down Jamaica. Stop bringing down the country, man. Stop make we look like we're the worst. Everything we do, we cannot do it successful. Stop make we look like we're the worst, and the worst, and the worst, and the worst. Because they're doing good. They might do good. Guys, they're doing good. Those Jamaican YouTubers, I applaud them. They're doing wonderful. And to the upcoming one them who is coming up, whether if you are monetized as yet or you are not monetized, keep pushing. Do not stop, you know. Don't say this person did stop. Me start before the person here and the person they're ahead of me. Do not say that. Don't stop. Just keep on pushing. You understand? Remember, the sky is the limit and you don't know what can happen. You might there struggle with your channel, sorry. Because I'm not edit, so you might there with your channel and it is struggle, and just one little thing I do and I just take out the channel. And one little thing I do, go ahead, red man. You just take off your channel. Whoop. You understand? Just be patient. Just be patient. As a lot of y'all don't know I go to church. When I used to go to church, but you know, COVID time, the pastor was speaking at time and him say, like, it have a time in my drive and he's driving on this rocky road and he was so mad he wanted to turn back. He wanted to turn back because the road was so bad. You understand? And halfway through the journey, I said, no man, I'm not going to go further. I'm going to turn back because it can't have nothing good ahead. Nothing good can there be on this road because the road are too bad. Nobody now going to go hear stuff with nothing. What makes sense. You know? Him never said as how I say it, you know, but that's basically, you know the breakdown. And him say, him father said, just keep drive, man, just keep drive. And him did it, and him a drive, and him a drive, and him a drive. So till him reach the end of the road, and him say when him reach the end of the road, the most beautiful thing him ever see. You understand? It was like a life changing. So guys, basically what I'm trying to say, the road may be rocky, but at the end of the road or the tunnel, it can be nice and smooth with no problem. You understand? The road may be rocky, but you see at the end, you can have something good there waiting for you. So I don't want to give up and because of this the one now not do this or that the one do not do this or do not. You understand? I'm going to big up on yourself, Image and Dolly, and keep pushing on something. Because right now, let's drop the video here. The last video with them do was when burn Dolly wig. When burn Dolly wig. You know the last one Dolly do was the kickers one. So plus Dolly give him the shit in his face and pepper Dolly front. You see me? So guys, let me see what them I come with tomorrow when me wake up. Me know I go say something when me wake up. Cause I remember say Dolly come back, you know. Dolly does come back 2, 3, 4 times, you know. So when we wake up, I want to see, because I post the video right now. So I want to get 2 for 1 in the Sunday. I'm see. Alright, well, I'm not 2 for 1 in the Sunday because it's technically Monday now. So one does post even though they are hours apart. So when I get 2 for 1 back to back. So people, we'll sit and watch to see what Dolly and Image are come with next. I wonder, I'm still thinking, what is Dolly gonna do to him? Is Dolly gonna destroy something? Dolly, please don't destroy nothing for him. I hope you don't see the video here. I don't want to destroy each other's stuff. You understand? You can't pepper him, you know? You can't pepper him back, Dolly. Or get some courage. Get some courage and courage enclose them. Yeah. When I hear me evil? Yes guys. But thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something from my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Choreographers. Bye guys. I am out. So long. Farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I said so long. Farewell to you, my friend.